Hey everyone, many students think that if they could increase their brain power, then they can achieve good marks in the exam. If you also think so, then don't worry because in this video, we are going to give you 5 tips that will help you to increase your brain power. So let's start. Use mnemonics devices. A mnemonic device is a technique to remember information that is used by many students. The best mnemonics are those that utilize positive image, humor, or novelty. So, while studying, come up with the rhyming song or a joke to help remember the information for a longer period of time. Explore new things. Exploring new activities allows the brain to make new connections between neurons, creating new neural pathways and allowing electrical impulses to travel faster along with them. This allows you to learn more quickly and effectively in the future, so get some time to learn new things and boost your memory. Meditate. It has been proven that students who meditate for 20 minutes for 4 days showed lower stress levels as well as significant improvements in the memory and cognition compared to the students who don't meditate. Practice mindfulness. Do you watch TV or scroll social media apps while having food? Sing songs while bathing or in your own dream world while walking? If yes, then stop doing this and only focus on the work you are doing. Like if you are eating, then only focus on eating. If you're walking, focus on walking, and this way you can practice mindfulness. It is not so easy, but as the saying goes, practice makes a man perfect. So practice mindfulness. Walk. Seems weird, right? But in recent studies, scientists say that if you walk for just 15 minutes, you're much smarter than the average. In the process, you will improve not only your physical health, but also your mental health. So these were the 5 tips that will help you to increase your memory. Also, if you want to know how you can become smart, then do click on this video. Thank you.